series tribute to Sandy Bodecker, a pivotal figure in the growth of Nike SB, with the Nike SB PS8, the most impactful homage yet. Named in part after his Instagram handle, the PS8 reflects Bodecker's visionary legacy in skate culture. Launching in fall 2025 for $120, the sneaker arrives in a classic black and gum palette, nodding to timeless skate aesthetics. Notably, it's just the second PS8 to feature a solid opaque sole instead of the usual translucent version, hinting at subtle innovation. Unveiled during the 2024 Olympics, this release shifts focus from traditional honorees like Bill Bowerman and Steve Prefontaine to a more contemporary legend. While earlier products recognized Bodecker's contributions, the PS8 captures the full spirit of his impact. Merging heritage, functionality, and respect, the sneaker is both a performance model and a commemorative piece of Nike SB history.